Hey, thanks for clicking the link. I'm Matt. You're watching Outdoors for a Change. This is the season 4 opener. We're going to have a lot of good food. We're not going to do a lot of interesting things, but we'll have really good food. I'll show you a recipe I'm doing in the Dutch oven. We're going to do some pulled pork subs, I think, or wraps or something like that. We're going to try to make this as keto friendly as we possibly can. We're going to talk about what's going on in Outdoors for a Change this year. We have a lot of big plans. We're going to have a blast. I'm glad you're here. Let's cue the intro.
Waking up early with the sunrise, packing up the gear, clear blue skies, heading to Michigan where the forest call, leaving all the worries, gonna have a ball. Outdoors for a change, feeling so free, catch and cook by the old pine tree, Dutch oven stove, the fire's glowing bright, under the Michigan stars we'll be alright. Moonlight dancing on the lake's smooth face, nature's song in a peaceful place.
Pork steak. Hey, let's go for a walk. I'll show you my view. I want to introduce you to somebody who is really important to the growth of Outdoors for a Change. It's my son-in-law, Ernest. He watches that catfish video, I think, every day.
Yes, I do.
Hey, Ernest. That's nice catfish, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Let's put the link out. Point up above your shoulder. That's where we'll put a link right now of the catfish video. Ernest caught his personal best catfish using an ultralight. Epic battle.
Oh yeah, it was.
Epic battle. And Shelly, of course, my oldest daughter, and you know Kathy, right? Okay, rule number 1 to cooking with the Dutch oven with charcoal is to rotate it often. That way you can use extra heat to get it cooked faster, and you can avoid the hot spots and kind of distribute the hot spots equally throughout the meat. All right, and then put a lot of water in the pan too, like we did. It's really hard to burn it up that way. So that's my little caveat to what we're doing today. I probably have a lot of extra charcoal that I don't need. That means I have to really be careful with the hot spots. But just keep rotating it and make sure that you don't run out of water. That's what we do. All right, now we can announce what we're really doing in this video. We're at a campsite. We don't have tents, and these guys thought we weren't going to stay here tonight, but what this is an adventure. We are going to survive with no tent, with no sleeping bag, and we're going to sleep on the ground with no lanterns, no blankets. We need views. We need views. Starting to look good. Well, with pulled pork, right, the idea is to get to a point where it's all just coming right off the bone and it can't be chewy. So we're going to let that cook extra. It's kind of, I'm torn between whether or not I should do more charcoal or not, another chimney's worth. I think that we're going to just go ahead and start it in case we need it. That way dinner isn't delayed another 30 minutes because I didn't make charcoal. I'd rather waste a little bit than delay dinner even further than I have today. I'm starving. All right, here we go. That is so good. Oh, you guys haven't started? Good? Really good. That's going to take a few more buckets of water, I think. I didn't get a chance to really tell you what my plans are for the channel this year. It's just going to be a lot of what we did last year. A lot of camping, a lot of fishing, a lot of catch and cooks especially. Also, I love to do, well, we're going to do a lot more Dutch ovens this year too. So there's going to be a lot we're going to get to do. I really appreciate you tuning in just for us to be able to check in with you, let you know that, hey, we are doing good. We are alive and well. And I will see you on the very next adventure here on Outdoors for a Change.